Okay, so let's do this again. So are you ready? We're going to be now looking at another clip from Human. It's from the third volume of the extended thing. Remember, these scenes are in between interviews where people from all over the world, parts of Africa, America, Europe, South America, North America, Africa, they are answering the same questions, all the same questions. Fascinating for you to watch. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at another scene, and this scene is from Cambodia. Remember that we can navigate down here. We can navigate clicking this button here that says show the transcript, and it will take us to different people from different countries being interviewed, and then around 24 minutes you'll see a clip from Cambodia. And so what I'm going to do now, remember over the first little while I was sitting there with the computer taking screenshots. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate about how another way that we can be doing observational research, and that is by using a dictation program. So what I've got here is I've got two windows. I've got the video from YouTube on one side, and then the dictation program on the other, which is similar to what you may be doing if you were writing. You may be writing on a piece of paper. You may be writing on a cell phone, which I can't do. And this is another technique where you take into the field a voice recorder and you click a lavalier microphone that goes straight into the voice recorder, and you can be recording what you see. And so that's what we're going to do now. So let's watch this together. Okay, let's watch this together. And at the same time, I'm going to be dictating. The scene is a river scene in Cambodia. Full stop. There are a number of houses built with bamboo, with cladding which appears to be just coconut leaf, full stop. The roofs are iron, although none of these are rusted, full stop. All over the houses, especially in front of them, I can see a large number of aluminium pans that people are using aluminium to both cook in, and wash in, full stop. I can see a number of boats, full stop. All of these boats are paddle boats, full stop. I see absolutely no engines, full stop. There are a number of women who appear to be doing domestic duties, full stop. Some of them are washing, right by the river, full stop. Others appear to be cooking, full stop. In addition to aluminium pans, and pots, I can see some plastic buckets, full stop. Some washing is hung outside to dry, full stop. I can also see a brown checkered sheet which has been hung between two posts, perhaps this provides shade from the sun in the afternoon, full stop. The floors appear to be constructed with bamboo, or perhaps mangrove wood slats, full stop. They are not using rough sawn timber, comma, but much cheaper products, full stop. There are ladders going between the different levels in these houses, full stop. I can definitely see women on the bottom right-hand corner doing some washing in the river, full stop. They appear to have the aluminium basins placed either in the water, comma, or on a short stool, full stop. New paragraph. The next scene from Cambodia is a scene featuring a woman who was squatting over some mats, drying some kind of product, full stop. I'm too far away to know exactly what she is doing, comma, but perhaps they are red chilies, full stop. They are certainly red, comma, and this appears to be the most likely scenario, full stop. She is performing this important function on top of a tall raised platform, full stop. I can see that there are 3 large posts holding this platform up, full stop. Underneath one post I can see that a large number of small, thin pieces of long wood have been placed, full stop. Perhaps this has been used to construct, placed here because people in the village regularly construct platforms for building houses, comma, and for drying produce like this, full stop. On the house next to the platform, I can see that there are a number of plants placed on the platform outside the house, full stop. One of them appears to be lemongrass, full stop. Some of them are in large white containers, comma, that may be polystyrene, full stop. Again, comma, the cladding appears to be a mixture of corrugated iron, comma, coconut leaves, open brackets, that have been dried, close brackets, comma. I can see some plastic has been placed over one of the huts next to the drying platform, comma, where the woman is working away, full stop. There are a number of water containers that are placed outside of the pot. I can see that one of them appears to be made of concrete, comma, although I'm not sure, full stop. Interesting to me, comma, there are some railings which have been painted a light blue colour, comma, which stands out from the rest of the railings, which are just natural wood colours. Wood. Correct that. Choose one. Choose one. The next scene is a shot from further up, comma, and what strikes me about this scene, open brackets, compared with the others, close brackets, is the houses look much tidier, full stop. They are built along the side of a narrow raised road that is following a river, comma, or lake, full stop. In the scene I can see approximately 20 houses, full stop. Some of them have rusted corrugated iron roofs, approximately 12 houses, full stop. I can see that some of these huts have got rusted corrugated iron roofs, comma, but some of them appear to be a bit newer, full stop. One of them includes a red-roofed one which stands out from the others, full stop. In the background I can see 4 canoes, full stop. I can't see close enough to know what they are doing, comma, but it is clear that on one of these, comma, the person is standing up, full stop. I can see people walking along the road, comma, as well as one motorbike, comma, and one push bike, full stop. The push bike has 2 people on it, comma, the same for the motorbike, full stop. This appears to be on the side of a lake, open brackets, not a river, close brackets, full stop. As we go higher, comma, we see that there is a long row of houses, comma, constructed on both sides of the road that follows full stop. On both sides of the road are this lake, full stop. New paragraph. The next scene is of a string of boats being pulled by a powerboat, full stop. The powerboat is pulling 4 canoes they are entering what appears to be a drawbridge, comma, and the drawbridge has been pulled up, full stop. There are red flags on both sides of the bridge, comma, and the bridge appears to be constructed with rough sawn timber, full stop. There are many water weeds building up on both sides of the bridge, on both sides, full stop, as the canoe passes through. I can see that 2 people are walking towards the centre, comma, perhaps to look at what is going on, full stop. Okay, so that was what I saw as I was watching those videos. You can see perhaps, comma, the amazing potential of using new technology to help us do our work faster, comma, easier, comma, and with a lot more effort, full stop. You may have been following what has been happening as I have been talking, full stop. You might have seen, comma, for example, that sometimes small mistakes are made, comma, and that is common whenever you are learning to use a new program, full stop. Once more, my objective is to reinforce this important point, colon. Observations are all about creating texts, full stop. If you go into the field and perform participant observation by staying with people, comma, observing what they do, participate in what they are doing, and yet do not create a written account of what you have seen, you have not been conducting research. All you have done is you've had a bit of a holiday, full stop. You are not going to be able to turn this time into a text without sitting down and writing it out with a pen and paper, comma, or typing it out with your fingers on the keys, comma, or doing what I'm doing and dictating it, full stop. Many of you will have a mobile phone, and on this mobile phone you have the ability to be dictating some of these things. The technology is changing very fast. That's enough for now.